Hello everyone and welcome back to Market Updates for Alameda County. Today I am excited to bring you the latest market update for you all. Whether you are a buyer or a seller or an investor, this information is very crucial for making informed real estate decisions. Hi, I am Suma Sridhar, a realtor serving buyers and sellers in the Bay Area from 17 years. Let us dive right in. First, let us talk about the month supply of inventory. Currently, we have a remarkably low supply of homes on the market with only 0.77 months of inventory available. This means that if no new homes were listed, it would take less than 1 month for all the existing homes to be sold. It is a highly competitive market and sellers have the advantage. Now, let us look at the trend over the last 12 months. We have seen a significant decrease of 23% in the month supply of inventory. This indicates a growing demand for homes in Alameda County. Buyers, you need to act quickly and be prepared to make competitive offers to secure your dream home. Next, let us discuss the list sold price percentage. Currently, we are seeing a remarkable 104.2% list sold price ratio. This means that on average, homes are selling for 4.2% above their initial listing price. Sellers, this is excellent news for you. It's a strong seller's market and you have the potential to maximize your return on investment. Now let us talk about the median days on market. Currently, homes are spending an average of just 17 days on the market before being sold. This is a testament to the high demand and competitive nature of the Alameda County real estate market. Buyers, be prepared to act fast and work closely with your realtor to navigate this fast-paced market successfully. Finally, let us discuss the median sold price. As of now, the median sold price in Alameda County is $1,025,000. This indicates a strong and stable real estate market. Sellers, this is a fantastic opportunity to capitalize on the value of your property. And that concludes that our market update for Alameda County. Whether you are looking to buy or sell, it is crucial to stay informed about the ever-changing real estate landscape. As always, I am here to assist you every step of the way. If you have any questions or would like to discuss your specific real estate needs, please feel free to reach out to me. Thank you so much for watching, and until then, next time, stay informed, stay confident, and let us make your real estate dreams a reality. Once again, this is Suma Sridhar, real estate broker with the tradition of excellence and integrity. If you do what you love, people love what you do. Have a great day.